Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, I'd like to talk with you about using multiple tracks, and I'm going to do it in an interesting way. I'm going to do, let's see, what I've done for every course lecture that I've recorded for about 30 or 10 courses, maybe 30 lectures per course, so about 300 times. This is one of the things that you're going to do over and over and over again. I am simulating being in Camtasia after capturing a recording. This is the recording of the clip bin, the first recording of it, which goes something like this. Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, it begins with a classic hello and welcome back and starts talking you through. Now, what we'd like in the beginning is our course logo and our production logo. In fact, it's going to look an awful lot like this up here in the picture once we get done of what the clip bin is actually recording. So it's going to be interesting. What we're going to do is import into our clip bin 2 pieces of media. So we'll go to Import Media. The first thing is under the lecture name logo is where I put the course logo. So I'm going to bring in the MP4 for that particular lecture. It's not actually a lecture, but I store it as one. And then I will import media, my course, production logo, which is outside here, it's still in Camtasia Studio under author Brian Jackson. And here, once again, we'll bring in the MP4. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is bring them down onto the timeline where I can play with them. Only I'm going to do this in, I'm going to treat them slightly differently. Neither of them have any sound. So the sound that I'm going to use is going to be my voice in the recording I just captured. So I'm going to pull down the course logo, and I'm going to overlay the beginning of my recording with it. So you'll see the course logo instead, but you'll hear my voice underneath. Now it'll look like something like this. Watch the playhead move from the very beginning over here as I hit play, and watch then on the screen here what happens and listen. Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, I'd like to talk with you about so you can see for a few seconds there, I overlay the video with my course logo and I talk over it. Now the production logo we're going to do a little bit differently. We're going to move the playhead once again up here to the very beginning. We're going to pull down our production logo and make that track 3. There we go. Now, once again, we wouldn't be able to see through this production logo if we left our other tracks underneath it. So we're going to move those over to the right so that the production logo will run and then my course logo will run over the beginning of my video. So let's see what that looks like and listen to it. First, the production logo is silent. Then comes the course logo. Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, I'd like to talk with you about the clip bin and finally the lecture itself. Now, the next thing that I would do is I would move through this recording looking for things that I need to remove or places that I want to zoom in. Now, this is an entire screen that we're capturing here, so there's no opportunities for zoom in, but I'll modify my cursor and other things. These are things that I'm going to talk to you about in subsequent lectures.